Hello everyone and welcome to our Forge modding series. My name is MrTroble and I'm gonna show you today how you're able to give your mods to your friends and play with them. So I'll tell you how to export your mod, and that's pretty easy, but before we start exporting our mod, we need to make sure some stuff in our build script is properly set up. We could export it now, but this wouldn't be great because first of all we would have some debugging output in the mod we are exporting, and we don't want that. So we will quickly remove that for the client as well as for the server, so that we won't spam our console if we start up our mod outside of Eclipse. So that makes things more clean, and after that we make sure to change some lines. We start with the group here. The group, actually, if we look into the documentations, and I strongly recommend you to look into those things, those comments. If we look into the documentations, I can quickly show that. That shows what the group ID actually should be, and here you see it should follow the Java package name rules. So we're gonna quickly copy our name from the package into this group modifier. So just I use HyCraft's name now. Oh gosh, my English today. So it should be around like the package name of your mod. I could put tutorial mod behind it, but it's probably better to do it like that. And now archive base name, that means the name of the jar file that is going to be exported, and in that case I'll just name that tutorial mod. So quickly copying that. So these two things are done. After that we go right all the way down to our jar job here, and this thingy, you see, it tells us to give him a title, a vendor, a version, and so on and so on. So this is for implementation and for specification, and we gonna need to change the vendor of these two to our mod ID, or yeah, things like that, so that we have the appropriate vendor for the things. After that we can change the title, of course. Here it's using the project name, which is also valid. I think we can, yeah, the implementation timestamp should be the same, you know, that's the thing. It depends after the name, so you know, or yeah, you know when it's built and stuff like that. So those are the attributes of the manifest file. So this is all automatically done from the Gradle into the manifest file, so you don't need to worry about anything. This should now work pretty fine, and we can now go and export our things via using the Gradle. Now let's first look at those things. All we just did was like in the Gradle, the build Gradle, and that's all in the main folder of your project. It should be, otherwise it won't be good. So there's the build Gradle. We just changed those things in. You saw that above there. So now we see we have to execute the Gradle in here to build things, because that's not like an average Java application. So we need to build that with Gradle. So that's /Gradle, and then you can just type in build and hit enter, and it should build. You know, pretty easy. Build successful. If there's something not green and not telling you it's successful, then it's probably not successful, I guess. And you should read what it says and fix it. But now it should have compiled. Should be built. Yeah, it's built. Actually, that's my test file from before. Just gonna delete that. That shouldn't be there. Now you see the mod and stuff like that. And if we look into it, we should also see no, not that. It's the wrong file. I think it's here. So here you see all those things that were changed, that we changed. It's like the implementation window, the title, the specification window, stuff like that. So that's all in this manifest file. Also the timestamp and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. And now you can give this jar file to anybody you want to use the mod. Fuck, I'm always missing here. So just give them the jar file and they can use your mod, or they should be able to. Otherwise it's probably your fault. I blame you. Yes, that's right. So that's pretty much it. You can experiment a bit around with those build files, but I won't recommend you to change too much, because that can break things. You can inform yourself. There are some URLs in here that help you with that. And thanks for watching, I guess. I hope I could help. See you in the next videos. Have a nice day.